Hey there, fellow retirees. Let me share a story that might just change your life. Ever found yourself wondering how to enjoy your golden years without stressing over a measly pension? Well, during the pandemic, my work vanished, savings dwindled, and the government turned a blind eye. But in the darkness, a beacon of hope emerged. Stuart, a friend indeed, introduced me to a world where retirement isn't about pinching pennies, it's about living large. Now, I can't spill all the secrets here, but let's just say Stuart's got a video that'll blow your socks off. From selling groceries to luxury goods, the online world is our oyster. Think building a website is rocket science? Think again. With templates and clicks, you'll have your own corner in the internet in no time. And get this, 5.3 billion internet users worldwide. The digital tide is rising, my friends, and we're riding the wave. With over 11,000 affiliate programs, you're basically getting paid to play on the internet. No bosses, no limits, just freedom and endless possibilities. So what's stopping you from living your dream retirement? Click that Learn More button and let's kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Because if you want to change your life, you have to change